What's up, citizens? I'm Citizen Kev. Today I'm going to give you a few bathroom hacks to take your bathroom space up a few notches on the niceness scale. But before I get into that, if you're new to YouTube, by the end of the video, please drop a like, even a dislike, leave a comment on what maybe you do to help make your bathroom space look a little bit nicer. On the list, let's talk about soap dispensers. Soap dispensers are something that everyone uses, but we never really think, hey, this actually makes a deal that this makes my bathroom look nicer or a little less nice. So this is one of the things that I'm talking about. This soap gets the job done. There's nothing wrong with it. But seeing this in your bathroom versus this in your bathroom is a huge difference. Now, being on camera, it's kind of hard for you to tell, but this is actually a lot nicer. This is glass, this is stainless steel, it feels heavier, it looks more expensive versus the right off the shelf, as soon as you went to Walmart, it's on aisle 3 soap. Next up is shower curtains. So what I like to do is grab a shower curtain that's kind of bold, that has graphic design on it, that really draws the eye to it, and that is not only visually cool, but actually feels good as well. So go with a shower liner that is cloth instead of plastic. The plastic just feels gross whenever it touches your leg. You're pretty much ready to just cut off your leg as soon as it touches you, even if it's brand new. Okay, another thing that you can use in the bathroom is a scale. For some people, I wouldn't suggest that you use a scale because I know jumping on that scale in the morning can ruin your entire day. But if you can resist the temptation of going down that rabbit hole, I would suggest upgrading your scale from a typical dial scale to a little bit nicer digital scale. There's nothing wrong with going the old school route, especially if you're not going to have your scale in front of people. But if you are, why go with the $17.99 scale when you can go with a $24.99 scale and it looks a lot better? Not that the other one is terrible, but this one just looks sexier. The numbers are digital. It just looks nice and sleek versus old school. Old school still gets the job done, but it's not as nice as the new school. This next item. So for this item, it's not so much a need by any means. Actually, it's really more so the thing that you can cut out. It's just more of a splurging type thing, but that is monogram towels. Just for 2 full body towels, 2 hand towels, and then 2 washcloths, it cost me about $150. Now that's from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm sure there's other places that are less expensive, but that's how much it cost me at Bed Bath & Beyond. So this next one I don't do at all, and that's just because I'm kind of a germaphobe to a certain extent, and that is having your toothbrush in a toothbrush holder. I like to put my toothbrush away inside the drawer because last thing I need is for little Timmy to come in there and wash his hands for 2 seconds after using the bathroom for 30 minutes and splashing all of his nasty hand water all over my toothbrush. And when you know who you are, you splash stuff on someone's toothbrush, you don't tell them anything. I don't want to be a victim. So I like to put mine away, but I would suggest if you do use a toothbrush holder, you use one that's open. This way, all the water and different things has time to kind of evaporate out instead of collecting down at the bottom. The very last thing, but the most important thing that most of you are probably going to say, that is so obvious, why are you even putting that in the list? But I promise you, if you do this thing or don't do it, it will make or break your bathroom. And that is clean up your bathroom. If you have a bathroom that's so gross that your guests are wanting to go to the gas station down the street, you have an issue. I promise your bathroom is going to look way better than the person who might take all of these suggestions. No one wants to use a dirty bathroom, no matter how cool the gadgets are, no matter how cool the fixtures and different things are. If it's grimy and gross and you don't want to touch it, then it's just going to totally distract and take away from the niceness of your bathroom. All right, citizens, thanks for hanging out with me and listening to my life hacks on making a nice bathroom. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section so that others can see it and possibly upgrade their bathroom niceness as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm thinking about doing a part 2, and that's pretty much just dealing with the kitchen. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Till I see you guys in the next video, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good.